Hello everyone, this is video number 17 on matrices, and in this video I will cover all remaining questions of miscellaneous exercise. So we will start from question number 12. If A and B are square matrix of same order such that AB is equal to BA, then prove by induction method that A into B whole raised to the power n, which is equal to B to the power n into A, and further prove that A into B whole raised to the power n, that is A to the power n into B to the power n, by using this result. So our first target is A into B to the power n, which is equal to B to the power n into A. So let Pn such that A into B to the power n, which is equal to B to the power n into A. Put n is equal to 1. Then P1 such that into B to the power 1 equal to B to the power 1 into A. So it will be AB is equal to BA, but it is given AB and BA both are equal. So in place of BA write AB. So AB is equal to AB, therefore P1 is true. Now second, let PK be true. PK be true, it means in place of n write K. So A into B to the power K, which is equal to B to the power K into A, and give equation number first. Now for n is equal to K plus 1. A into B to the power K plus 1. So A into B to the power K into B. Now A into B to the power K, A into B to the power, which is equal to B to the power K into A, by equation number 1, because this result is true for n is equal to K. Now B to the power K into A into B. Now AB and BA both are equal. So in next step, in place of AB write BA. Now B to the power K into B, that is B to the power K plus 1 into A as it is. So A into B to the power K plus 1, which is equal to B to the power K plus 1 into A. Therefore PK plus 1 is true. Since P1 is true and PK plus 1 is also true whenever PK be true, so by PMI method, Pn given Pn is true for all n belongs to n. Now second part, we have to prove Pn such that A into B whole raised to the power n, that is A to the power n into B to the power n. So first case, put n is equal to 1. So A into B whole raised to the power 1, that side A to the power 1 and B to the power 1. Therefore AB is equal to AB, it means P1 is true. Let PK be true. A into B whole raised to the power K, that is AK into BK. BK means B to the power K, equation number 2. Now for n is equal to K plus 1, it means AB whole raised to the power K plus 1. So A into B whole raised to the power K into A into B whole raised to the power 1. In place of A into B whole raised to the power K, by using equation number 2, it will be A to the power K into B to the power K. This is A into B as it is. Now BK into A, see from equation number 1, BK into A, which is equal to A into B whole raised to the power K. So by using equation number 1, in place of BKA write A into B to the power K. Now AK into A, it means A to the power K plus 1, and B to the power K into B, it means B to the power K plus 1. So A into B whole raised to the power K plus 1, that is A to the power K plus 1 into B to the power K plus 1. So therefore PK plus 1 is true. So by induction method, A into B whole raised to the power n, that is A to the power n into B to the power n, for all n belongs to capital N. Capital N means natural number. Now next question, question number 13, which is MCQ. If matrix A is equal to alpha, beta, gamma and minus alpha is such that A square equal to I, then there are total 4 options. First, A 1 plus alpha square plus beta gamma equal to 0, B 1 minus alpha square plus beta gamma equal to 0, and C 1 minus alpha square minus beta square, minus beta gamma equal to 0, and last 1 plus alpha square minus beta gamma equal to 0. So let's see here. Since A square is equal to I, so A square, it means write matrix A 2 times. Alpha, beta, gamma, minus alpha, alpha, beta, gamma and minus alpha, and equal to I means 1, 0, 0, 1. Now find the product of these two matrices. So first row, first column, alpha into alpha, that is alpha square, plus beta into gamma, this is beta into gamma. Now second row, first column, gamma into alpha, alpha into gamma, plus minus alpha into gamma, this is minus alpha into gamma, both are cancelled out. Again first row but second column, alpha into beta, this is alpha into beta, plus beta into minus alpha, that is minus alpha into beta, once again cancel out. Last second row second column, this is gamma into beta, plus minus alpha and minus alpha, minus minus plus alpha square. Now compare this two matrix. So alpha square plus beta gamma equal to 1. Now both term transfer into right side, so it will be 1 minus alpha square minus beta gamma equal to 0. So option number C, which is correct. Now one more MCQ, MCQ number 15. If matrix A is a square matrix such that A square is equal to A, then find the value I plus A whole cube minus 7A, which is equal to, and once again there are four options A, B, C and D. First A, which is A, I minus A, I and 3A. So let's see, A plus B whole cube, use identity A plus B whole cube. So A cube plus B cube plus 3A square B plus 3AB square. So A cube means I cube plus B cube, it means A cube, plus 3A square means I square, A square B means A, plus 3AB square. So A means I and B means A, minus 7 as it is. I cube, which is only I. A cube, write A square into A. 3 into I square, that is I, and I multiplied by I, which is only A, so it is only 3A. Once again 3 into I, A square, which is equal to A, and I into A, that is only A, so it is only 3A, minus 7 as it is. Right reason, since A square is equal to A, and I cube, I and I cube, I square and all are equal to I. Now A square, which is once again A, this A as it is, so A into A, next step in it will be A square. 3A plus 3A, that is 6A, minus 7 as it is. So in next step this is A square, so once again write in place of A square, write A. Here A plus 6A, total 7A, and 7A and minus 7A cancel out, only I remaining. So correct option is option number C. Now one more example, example number 27. If A and B are symmetric matrices of same order, then show that AB is a symmetric if and only if AB is equal to BA. So since A and B are symmetric matrix, it means A dash is equal to A and B dash is equal to B. So first we prove, if AB is symmetric, then AB is equal to BA. Let AB is symmetric, then A into B whole dash, that is AB. Since it is symmetric, so A into B whole dash, that is AB. It means like as C dash is equal to C, equation number 1. But we know that A into B whole dash, that is B dash into A dash, B dash which is equal to B, and A dash which is equal to A, because A dash is equal to A and B dash is equal to B, it is given. Now A into B whole dash, that is B into A, equation number 2. By 1 and 2, A into B whole dash, which is equal to AB, and here A into B whole dash, that is equal to BA. So by 1 and 2, since LHS which is equal to LHS, so RHS also equal to RHS, so AB is equal to BA, AB is equal to BA. So our first part is proved. If AB is symmetric, then this implies that AB is equal to BA. Now conversely, second part, if AB is equal to BA, then we have to prove AB is a symmetric. Conversely, if AB is equal to BA, then we have to show that AB is symmetric. Since A into B whole dash, that is B dash into A dash, B dash which is equal to B and A dash which is equal to A. So A into B whole dash, that is BA, but BA which is equal to AB. So in place of BA, write AB, because it is given. So AB whole dash which is equal to AB, it is like a C dash which is equal to C. So C is symmetric. So here AB, which is single matrix, so AB is a symmetric. So hence AB is symmetric if and only if. This is the symbol of if and only if. Reversible implies that both sides. AB is symmetric. This implies that, if and only if AB is equal to BA. Hence complete the proof. Okay, thank you guys. This is the chapter 3. In next video we will meet with chapter 4. Okay.